So, good morning again. Here I am going to explain you the second part of the chapter safety and first aid. So, the point is be careful at school. Now, let's see what is there. Use a sharpener to sharpen your pencils. Do not use a blade or knife. Yes. Don't use blade or knife. Don't take or bring blade or knife to your school. Okay, to sharpen your pencil. Never do it. You have to use the sharpener. You have the sharpener with you, so use the sharpener to sharpen your pencils in school or in your home also. Got it? Do not play inside the classroom. You might hit against desks and chairs and injure yourself. Do not play inside the classroom. You know only, but you are playing. So many students, what they are doing? They are running here and there in the class. Even the teachers are asking them not to do all this, but they used to play in the class. And those students, they are hurting themselves. So many students are hurt like this. Okay, so my dear students, don't run in the class, don't play in the class. Never do this, all these things. Okay, then be disciplined on the playground. Wait for your turn at the games. While during the tiffin break, you are playing in the playground. You know, so many students are there. Other students are also playing games. You are also playing game. So never run here and there. Be disciplined. Okay, you have to see where you are playing, how many students are there, where you have to run, where you have to sit, or when your chance is coming. At that time only you have to play your game. Otherwise, don't run in the middle here and there while others are playing. You will hurt yourself also, and your friends will also be hurt. Do not throw bat or other playing things at your friends, and never throw. Suppose you are playing cricket, you are having the cricket bat, so never throw this cricket bat on your friends. Never do this. Okay, or you are playing with the ball, never throw the ball on your friends' bodies. Yeah, when we are playing the game, we used to throw the ball, no doubt, but we are throwing in the hands. Okay, so be careful while throwing the ball to your friends. Okay, now next, the third point is be careful on the road. Be careful on the road. This is the most important point, because dangerous accidents are taking place on the road. So we have to be very much careful on the road. See the first point, always walk on the footpath which is meant for the pedestrians. You know, footpath is there while you are walking. So always walk on the footpath. Never come in the middle of the road and walk there. Okay, because vehicles are coming and going there. So be on the footpath always. Then watch out for the banana peels on the road. You might slip and injure yourselves. While you are walking on the road, then you have to see nicely if the banana peel is falling down, and if you will not see, and if you will put your leg on the banana peel, okay, if you will step on the banana peel, then you are certainly going to fall down and hurt yourself. So be careful. Look to your left and right before crossing the road. Cross only at the zebra crossing. Yes, this is very important. You have to look right, you have to look left. Okay, then only you have to cross the road while you are crossing at the zebra crossing. Look at the traffic signal before crossing. Make sure that the pedestrians crossing sign is green. When you will see that the sign is green, then you have to cross the road. Okay, don't run here and there. Do not run or play while crossing the road. Yes, this is very much important, my dear students. While you are going on the road, while you are walking on the road, do not run here and there. Never you should do all these things. Okay, be careful. Do not shout, run or play in the school bus. You might fall. This might also disturb the driver. Yes, never play in the school bus or never shout there. So many students are doing like this. I don't know why they are doing. You should not do all this. You should sit in a disciplined manner in the school bus. Yes, if you are shouting, then the driver will get disturbed and accidents may take place. Do not put your head or hands outside the windows. While sitting in the school bus, don't put your hands outside or your heads. Some students, what they are doing, they will do like this, their heads outside the window. Okay, never do all these things. When you are on a bicycle, always keep to your left. Do not ride between cars or other vehicles. When you are going on the bicycle, always keep on the left side. Always be on the left side. Never come in the middle of the road. Okay, always be in the left side. And do not ride between car or other vehicles. Do not go between the car and the other vehicles. Always remain in the left side and ride your bicycle. Maintain some distance between the bicycle, signals with your hands and ring the bell before turning. You have to use the bell also before turning. You have bell in the bicycle. Okay, and maintain the signals, all the traffic rules while you are riding bicycle on the road. Okay, that's also again I will make another video for the next part. So till then, bye bye. See the videos nicely and try to understand it. Okay.